Vacuuming should be convenient, easy, and even a little fun. With the Chameleon retractable hose system, it can be all three. Chameleon features a unique retractable hose to bring the power of your central vacuum to every part of your home. Just pull, vacuum, retract. It's that easy. Chameleon features an automatic hose lock and patented dual seal system to ensure maximum power every time you vacuum. To use, simply pull out the hose, attach a cleaning tool, and go. Twist the hose to release. The Chameleon puts itself away and turns off automatically. The built-in swivel handle is great for quick cleanups, and the instant hose extension means you can reach just a little bit further. Chameleon truly adapts to your every cleaning need. You won't know what you did without it. So upgrade your central vacuum with the Chameleon retractable hose system today.